Okay, so I'm looking at 2C now. So we got to remember that this isn't actually asking me the same thing as the other questions. These A and B were asking us to evaluate F and G at values. This is saying basically find X if G of X equals 0. So that's saying replace G of X with 0. So you're actually now looking at the equation 9x to the fourth minus 1 equals 0. Like we talked about yesterday, this is quadratic form. It looks quadratic, but the exponent's a 4. You factor it just like a quadratic. Now, it's two terms, and there is not a GCF, so you have to look for the difference of two squares, dots. These are all perfect squares, so that pattern will apply. So it would be 3x squared minus 1 and 3x squared plus 1 equals 0. All right, now you set each factor equal to 0 because you can't simplify it anymore. So I'm going to add 1 and divide by 3. So x squared equals 1/3. I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And so x equals plus or minus 1 over root 3 because the square root of 1 is 1. And then I'm going to guess your teacher wants you to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by root 3 over root 3. So x equals plus or minus root 3 over 3. Okay, this side we subtract 1. We divide by 3. Oops, sorry. Subtract 1, divide by 3. So that's going to give me, so we get negative 1/3. Ooh, now this one, when I take the square root of both sides, I'm going to get x equals, negative under a square root, out comes a I, and I get times 1 over root 3 rationalized. So it's going to be I root 3 over 3. And again, we'd have a plus minus. So that's a really good review question of like everything you did last year in Algebra 1 with quadratics, okay? Hopefully that was helpful. Have a good day.